Before we actually begin this video, I just want to say I did my hair today, tried to do a festival look, not mad at the result. I think I did a pretty okay job considering I'm not a hair person. It took me like 200 hours, so appreciate it, people. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I am doing a really exciting makeup look. You can see it on my face. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell from far away that I'm wearing colorful freckles on my face, but yeah, I was feeling inspired. I think Coachella is over, so this video is coming a little late, but I know there are going to be a lot of festivals during the summer, and I mean, there are going to be more festivals you need to put things on your face for. I don't know what that just was, but anyways, I felt really inspired. I'm not really great at doing super crazy like festival looks. I did one last year. I'm gonna link it somewhere here or here, wherever. But it was really fun. It was a lot more glittery. This year I went for something a lot more simpler but colorful. And I really love it. It's very easy. So if you're a beginner and you're like struggling, you're going to a festival and you don't know what to do, you're like, I'm just gonna put rhinestones on my face, but I don't want to do that because everyone's doing that. You can watch this video and recreate this look. It's very easy. It's glittery, not glittery freckles, colorful freckles, very simple skin, eyes, and lips. And if you're into what you're seeing right here, right now, make sure to just keep watching. Let's go. I'm so over this intro. I am bad at it. Let's do it. Okay, so the eyes are going to be super simple. Nothing out of the ordinary. I just wanted to define them a little bit, but they're going to be super simple since the main focus is like the glittery thing on my face. Well, colorful. So I'm going to be using my Nude Sticks Magnetic Matte Eye Color in Terra. You guys know I love this. I've talked about it a lot. So I'm just going to apply this all over both of my eyes and blend it out with my fingers, and that's it for eyeshadow, so let's do that. And I find that these last for quite a long time, so that's perfect if you're actually going to a festival because they're not going to crease and they're going to stay put for a long time. And I'm also going to apply this to my lower lash line and blend it out. Okay, so now that I've slightly defined my eyeballs, it is time to move on to mascara. I don't want to wear falsies, but I want my lashes to look pretty long and like, you know, bam. So I'm going to be layering a few mascaras to get that like sort of clumpy statement mascara look. Why aren't you focusing on my face? So for mascara, I'm going to be using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang. This clumps up my lashes quite a bit if I'm not careful, but I want that today. And then to add a little bit more length and separation, clumpy separation, I don't know, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline New York Total Temptation Mascara. This is new for me. I have just tried it a few times and I'm really enjoying it. More of a natural mascara, that's why I'm pairing the two. Why does this thing keep getting out of focus? Holy crap. So first I'm going in with a coat of the Benefit mascara, and then I'm going to go over that with the Maybelline. And then I'm going to go with the Bad Gal Bang on the lower lashes as well. So after that, I think the clump level is good. I might add a little bit more if I feel the need to later on, but for now I'm just going to do my brows and I am going to fill them in. I have a full brow tutorial for you guys, so if you want to know how I do my brows, I'll link that in the corner. And I'm just going to use my Berry M Brow Kit Shape and Define thing. Very old, but I'm just going to be using this powder. And then I'm going to be setting my brows with another new product. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set Volumizing Brow Mascara. pretty cool. So I'm just gonna do that, and I will be right back. Okay, so now for the face, first things first, we want our look to stay on all day, night, whatever, whenever your festival is. So I am going to go in with 2 different primers. The first one is the J1 Jelly Pack. This one is, wow, it's incredible. It works beautifully for making your makeup stick to your face. And then I'm using my Milk Makeup Blur Stick to just blur out all the pores. Since I am sick, my nose is freaking red, so excuse that please. But yeah, let's prime the face and then we'll move on to foundation. And this primer, you almost have to like just pat it in because it's the weirdest consistency ever. Now pressing this into where I have the pores. I know a lot of people like go all out whenever they do their festival makeup, but I don't want to do so much on the face. I don't want like a full coverage foundation or anything, because if it's gonna be hot, it's gonna be like melting off your face, and that is just not cute. So I recently hauled my Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation, and I think this will be the perfect candidate because it has SPF, it lasts pretty well on the skin, and well, it is just perfect because it's not super full coverage, so it works, you know, it works for what I want. So we're going in with this. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush first and apply this, and then I'm gonna go smooth everything out with a beauty blender to get the best look and the maximum coverage possible. Beauty blender. After that, we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm also using my new Laura Mercier concealer, trying it out for the first time. And I just want to lightly conceal under my eyes because I have pretty bad under eyes. And anywhere in my face where I need it, like all these breakouts that are happening right now. Love my life. So yeah, I'm using this and I'm just applying a tiny amount and building up the coverage if I need to. But I'm not going in with a lot because of the same reason we use a lighter coverage foundation, to not melt off our face when it's hot. After concealing, I'm gonna let my face absorb a little bit of the product. That sounds weird, but before powdering, I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna be applying my Milk Makeup bronzer. You guys know I love this, so I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of this. I am not going to use a lot of face products because, again, I'm going in with the freckles, so I just want light definition and a little bronziness. And then I'm gonna go in with an oldie but a goodie, my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Holiday. It looks like this. It is very vibrant, very pretty, but I'm just gonna go in with a minimal amount of product with the same brush, and boom, hit it on the cheeks, man. After a little blush, I am gonna go in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Be My Highlight. And this is a very, focus please, it's a very natural highlight. Let me find my highlight brush. This gives me like the wet cheek look without like actually having to apply something that's gonna move around. So we're going in with this one. And of course it's festival season. You can go ham on highlighting, obviously. Gonna apply it to my inner corners and the brow bone a little. So now it is time for the fun part, the best part of the look, also the part that can make or break this look. So yeah, I am excited yet terrified at the same time. So I saw Desi Perkins doing this on her latest video. She did freckles. She did this technique that I'm about to do, and she looked amazing, but I don't have the skills that she has, so hopefully it'll turn out great for me as well. I am going to go in with my Morphe 12P palette. It's a very colorful palette, It is beautiful, and I'm going to be using this color right here, this one right here, and the pink. I think they're going to give me a really cute color combination. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a brush, like a fluffy brush, fluffy-ish. That's just what she grabbed, so I'm doing the same. I'm going to dip it in water, so I have a little container here with water. And I'm going to dip it in, water, water, water. This is going to be a huge mess everywhere. Holy crap. After you've soaked it, you go into the product and fill up your brush. And this is very weird, trust me. After you get everything, you sort of angle the brush and you do that. And you start getting freckles on your face. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. So, can you see that I'm getting freckly here, over here? I mean, and I'm sort of concentrating them on this area, but if they fly somewhere else, it's fine. I don't mind it. Okay, I have a few freckles on now with the blue. I am getting a lot of eyeshadow on my eyes. You guys aren't going to be able to properly tell unless I like zoom in and focus, please. But as you can see, I have like little freckles here. Hello. And I have this like little stripe thing here, but it's fine. I'll get over it. I hope it'll look cool in the end. So now I'm going to move on to the other two colors and do the exact same thing. So I'm going into the pink next. Last but not least, I'm going in with the purple. And I'm going in with a bigger brush because I want the freckles to be a little bit bigger because I love purple. And I want this to be like the color that stands out the most. Okay, I think that is enough freckly things for one day. This is the end result of the freckles. So yeah, it's like splattered everywhere. And it looks a little crazy. I will admit it does, but I really like the look, honestly. And it's like festival, so it doesn't matter if they look weird. So after the freckles come the lips, and then this look will be done. Now for my lips, I wanted something that would last me a long time, but that it wasn't a liquid lipstick because I don't feel like dealing with liquid lipsticks, you know? I don't feel like being uncomfortable throughout the whole day. Well, I'm not even going to a festival, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Screenshot, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lips, being really careful, and almost applying it like a stain. These are an amazing formula that lasts all day, but they're not super uncomfortable. That was it for the look. I told you it was going to be super simple. Everything on the face, eyes, and lips was easy as hell. The freckles were a little bit more challenging. I'm sorry if you couldn't like see me completely, but I was struggling a little. But it's easy. If you're doing it on yourself and you're not filming it, it's super easy. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you recreate it and send me a picture of your recreation. I would love to know what you guys come up with as well. So yeah, thank you to Desi Perkins. She's probably not gonna watch this video ever, but she inspired me with the freckles. So yeah, thank you for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It gives me feedback on what you guys like to see and what you don't want to see. And that is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you so much. And I'll definitely see you on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah!